Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to promote your business. Any business could be promoted and Pinterest work much better than Facebook and TikTok combined. Let me show you a couple of different businesses that are currently promoting themselves which usually have nothing to do with each other. So first thing that you want to see over here, we do have a creamy broccoli pasta. You maybe wonder, okay, so are they selling the recipe? Are they having a blog post, or simply this is a restaurant commercial? Well, if you come over here, you will see that they're selling actually a cookbook. Okay, the cozy cookbook is here, order now. The best way is that they're actually creating a blog post with a recipe. So you're gonna read the blog post, and you might be not into pasta, but you might be into cooking, so they just target you absolutely straight off the point. And this is one type of business. So next step over here, somebody else actually is giving you like a beauty lifestyle, like a coaching stuff. You see how to keep your clean home every day, every week, weekly, seasonally, monthly. Okay, so you might be thinking, okay, what's that? Let's click read it, right? When you click on that, you're going to another blog post. You see a bunch of hashtags over here. They're monetizing completely different function, and they also, you see, running ads, and they also having this, I don't know, looks like a cleaning supplies, or like a bundle for maintaining healthy lifestyle or healthy home. So this is second different example over here. We're talking about businesses that have been started from home, maintained from home, most likely operate from home. So anyone can promote what they're currently doing. And this is not only for the little guy app. As you can see over here on the side, we have a Target running a promotion for selling Xbox. We're having people over here who are into, traveling. As you can see over here, Four Seasons on the upper left, they're promoting and running ad. They want you to travel, they want you to visit, they want you to buy into their hotel chain, their services, their traveling experience. Okay, everything, it's very easy to do it. And some people obviously selling courses over here. They're selling how to stuff, how to start a business. As you can see over here, somebody's actually reselling items, right? And essentially any business could be promoted. The most important part is to choose the right funnel, the right way to get the viewer to click on the picture, and then the harder part, which is to get them to click from the picture towards your landing page. This is how you can promote your business on Pinterest, and it's much easier, much better. Again, free of charge. You don't need to run ads for it. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.